In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and chat with external guests in Microsoft Teams. If you're looking to connect with people outside your organization using Teams, you're in the right place. We'll walk through these steps together, making sure everything is clear and straightforward. Let's dive right into it. First, open up Microsoft Teams. You can do this on your desktop application or through your web browser. If this is your first time or you're still getting used to the layout, don't worry. Once you're in, you'll see a navigation menu on the left-hand side. You'll want to focus on the option labeled Chat. This is one of the core features of Teams and serves as the main hub for sending messages. Next, look for the new chat icon, which is typically represented by a pencil or message bubble. Clicking this will open up a new chat window, ready for you to begin making new connections. At this point, you'll need to enter the email address of the person you wish to chat with. It's important that you input the external person's full email address correctly, as this is how Teams identifies recipients outside your immediate organization. Make sure it's free of typos or mistakes to avoid any problems connecting. Now, if your organization has guest access enabled in Teams, you'll be able to proceed by sending an invite to the external individual. This policy setting is typically controlled by your organization's IT department, so if you're unsure or encounter any limitations, it might be worth checking in with them to confirm if guest access is enabled. Once you send the invite, the ball is in the external user's court. You'll need to wait for them to accept your invitation. This step is crucial, as it's only after they accept that you'll be able to fully interact